Good morning, students. Today we will study to prove that under root 2 is an irrational number. Chapter first, real number, mathematics, class 10. So, to prove this number, we use contradiction method. So, first, let us suppose that under root 2 is a rational number. Let under root 2 is a rational number. Then from the definition of rational number we can write under root 2 equal to in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are co-prime. Co-prime means if two numbers are co-prime, then their highest common factor is 1, or HCF is 1. It means there are no common factor. P and Q only divide by 1. So, squaring both sides, we get 2 equal to p square by q square, and this number you can write 2q square equal to p square. It means 2 divides p square. It means 2 divides p square, and we have a theorem when any prime number divides p square, then that will be divided also p. Then this implies 2 divides p also. And let's suppose p equal to 2 and k, 2 into k constant, where k is constant, and put this value in, suppose this is equation number 1. In equation 1, then we will get 2 q square equal to, and we will put the value of p equal to 2k in the place of this. So 2k and square, and this becomes 2q square equal to 4k square, and 2 is cancelled by this. So we can write q square equal to 2k square. It means 2 divides q square, and this implies 2 divides q. So here we see p 2 divides p. This is 2 divides p. Suppose this equation is 2, and 2 divides q. This is equation 3. Using equation 2 and 3, from equation 2 and 3 we can say that 2 divides p and q both. This contradicts to our supposition that p and q are co-prime, so that our supposition is wrong Therefore under root 2 is an irrational number. Proved. So this is contradiction method. Here we assume under root 2 is a rational number. So in this case P and Q are co-prime, that is P and Q has no any common factor. But from these two conditions 2 and 3 we see that 2 divides P and Q both. It means P and Q has 2 as common factor. But here we suppose P and Q are co-prime and there are no common factor. This is the contradiction. So our supposition that this is a rational number is wrong. So this number is irrational number. So we can write this statement in this form. Now let's second question. Prove that prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Solution: let 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number then we can write 3 plus 2 root 5 in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are co-prime. So this type of irrational number we will solve like this. We will write 2 root 5 equal to P by Q minus 3. P by Q minus 3. 3 in this side it becomes minus, or this is P minus 3Q by Q, and then this is 2 root 5, and now write root 5 equal to P minus 3Q by 2Q. This is right hand side and this is left hand side. Here we see that ki right hand side P minus 3Q upon 2Q is a rational number because P and Q are integer. So the difference and division of integer and product of integer is also rational number. So this number is rational number, and left hand side this number, left hand side root 5 is an irrational number. A rational number cannot be equal to the irrational number. A rational number cannot be equal to the irrational number. So that left hand side cannot be equal to the right hand side, so that here left hand side cannot be equal to the right hand side. So our supposition is supposition is wrong. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number.